Hello students, today we will do the numerical problems of chapter Energy Simple Machines. These problems are given on page number 71 and 72 of your book. So the very first numerical is a boy of 20 kilogram weight sits at a distance of 1.2 meter from the fulcrum of a seesaw. Another boy balances the seesaw on sitting at a distance of 50 centimeter from the fulcrum. You have to calculate his weight. Here we are going to apply two formulas in our numerical problems. Okay, here we are going to apply the principle of lever for this question. Okay, so first of all, just want to tell you what are the formulas we are going to apply in these numericals. First, we will apply the formula for mechanical advantage, which is equal to load over effort. And if we are given with the effort arm and load arm, then our mechanical advantage will be equal to effort arm divided by load arm. And the third formula which we will apply is the principle of lever, which says load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. So these three formulas we will apply. So in our first question, since we are talking about a lever, we will apply the principle of lever in this example, in this question. Here, as one boy is sitting, so our his weight is 20 kgs. It means our value of load is 20 kg, and effort we have to calculate. As we all know that the distance between load to fulcrum is the load arm. So as boy of weight 20 kg sits at a distance of 1.2 meter, it means our length of load arm will be 1.2 meter. And length of effort arm is given 50 centimeter. Now what we have to see, here is the difference between the units. Here it is in meter, but here this length, effort arm length, is in centimeter. So first we will change load arm length into centimeter by multiplying it 100. Okay, so it will be 120 centimeter. Now we will apply the principle of lever formula. Load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. So we will put all the values here and we can calculate. See, 20 kilogram into 120 centimeter is equal to effort into 50 centimeter. So we will take this value to another side, so it will get divided moving towards this side. Okay, so then we will cut it. 0 will cut with 0. 5 4s are 20 and 12 4s is 48 kilogram will be our answer. Now the second one, in the second question we have to calculate the mechanical advantage of a lever when load arm is equal to 15 centimeter and effort arm is equal to 30 centimeter. As I told you, the mechanical advantage, if arm length is given, then it will be equal to effort arm divided by load arm. So it will be 30 divided by the another value is 15, and on 15 table we will cut it. 15 2s are 30, so our answer will be 2. You have to remember one thing, there are no units for mechanical advantage. The second part of this same question is effort arm is 12 centimeter and load arm is 30 centimeter. So again we will put this formula, mechanical advantage is equal to effort arm divided by load arm. So that will be 12 divided by 30. Here we will cut it in the table of 2. 2 6 are 12, 2 15s are 30. Again it will cut in the table of 3. 3 5s are 15. 3 2s are 6. And when 2 divided by 5, your answer will be 0.4. Now, the next we are moving towards our C part of the same question. But here again we have to calculate the mechanical advantage, but we are not given with the length of the arms. We are given with the load, value of load and value of effort. So we will apply formula, that is mechanical advantage is equal to load divided by effort. That is 200 Newton divided by 80 Newton, which is equal to 2.5. Again you can see 0 will be cut. Then 2 4s are 8, 2 10s are 20, 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10. So 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. Okay. In G part again, effort, value of effort is given, value of load is given. We will again divide, put the formula load upon effort and put the values of load and effort and again divide it in the table of 5. It will cut. 5 9s are 45. So your answer will be 9. Now our third question is, you have to calculate the effort needed when load, value of load is given 800 Newton, load arm is given, effort arm is given. So for this we will apply the principle of lever, and that is load multiplied by load arm is equal to effort multiplied by effort arm. So we will put all the values here. You can see 0.8 we will change it into fraction. It will become 8 upon 10, and 4.0 we can write it like 4. In the table of 4 we can cut it. 4 2s are 8. 0 say we will cut 0. And 80 2s is 160 Newton will be the answer. B part of the same question is, we are given the load arm, effort arm, load, and we have to calculate again the effort. We will follow the same formula. Load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. So 100 kg weight is given, load, and 50 meter the load arm. The length of load arm is 50 meter. Here we will put the effort. We have to find effort, and we will put the length of the effort arm, that is 125 meter. And to calculate effort, we will take this value to the another side. Since it is in multiplication here, it will divide, moving towards that side. Okay. And then we will cut it in the table of 5. It will get cut, and we will get this answer 40 kilogram weight. Okay. Now the last question is the fourth one. In the fourth question, the same formula, the principle of lever we will apply, but here earlier we were finding the effort. Now we have to calculate the load. Load we have to calculate, so we will put all the values. Effort is equal to 100 Newton, effort arm is given 60 centimeter, load arm is 15 centimeter. So load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. So we will put all values, and again 15 will move to that side, and we can calculate the value of load. So 15 4s are 60 here, 100 multiplied by 4 is 400 Newton. Our last part is, here we are given with effort is 50 Newton and effort arm ki length is 1 meter. Load arm, length of load arm is 10 centimeter. Again you can see here the difference between the units is there. Effort arm length is 1 meter, whereas load arm length is 10 centimeter. So we will reduce this meter into centimeter. So 1 meter is equal to how many centimeters? 100. Okay, so we will put load into value of load arm is 10 centimeter is equal to 50 Newton is the effort into effort arm length is 1 meter, which we can take it as 100 centimeter. Now we will take this value of load arm on the another side and divide it. So 50 Newton into 100 centimeter divided by 10 centimeter. 0 से 0 we will cut, and we are left with 500 Newton. That will be your answer. That's all. Thank you.